In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Sendgrid. Now, if you're ready to get started, let's dive in. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Sendgrid website. Sendgrid is a powerful cloud-based service that gives you the convenience and reliability of email delivery. Whether you're running a small campaign or sending transactional emails, Sendgrid helps simplify your email strategy. Now ensure you're on the main page where the email API and email marketing campaigns are highlighted. This is where our journey begins. Once you're on the Sendgrid homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Simply click on the Sign In button. You'll find it at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, your email or username and password, and hit enter. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to take a quick moment to sign up, and once that's complete, we can jump right back into importing your template. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center, giving you access to all your available tools and services on Sendgrid. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if this is your first time here. You'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for you to find what you need quickly. Now, with the dashboard up, focus your eyes on the left-hand sidebar of options. Here, you want to click on the section labeled Email API. This section is your key to email delivery features, and it's where we'll manage our templates today. Under Email API, you should see an option for dynamic templates. Click on this. Dynamic templates are what make lifecycle marketing effective and impactful, as they offer the flexibility of using reusable blocks of HTML. These are perfect for when you need to format emails consistently without starting from scratch each time, or when dynamically populating data into your emails. By selecting dynamic templates, you'll be directed to a page showing all of your current templates. Here you can upload your customized HTML email templates. Usually you can either create a new dynamic template or edit an existing one depending on your needs. In conclusion, importing an HTML email template into Sendgrid is a straightforward journey once you know where to navigate. By starting at the Sendgrid homepage, logging in, exploring your dashboard, selecting the Email API option, and heading over to Dynamic Templates, you've got all the steps needed to effectively manage and import email templates for your campaigns. Leveraging these powerful features can significantly enhance your email marketing strategy and streamline communication efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.